Click right about now. Hey, what do you say, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of B's Garage. Today here in the garage we're going to be doing something, or I'm actually going to be working on something today. For the first time on video, I'm actually going to work on something. My buddy Jimmy is here. He's got his 2010 Cooper Mini, and we're going to do some work on that. We're going to replace the trunk button. We're going to replace the shock absorbers, the lift supports, and we're going to put a new antenna in the roof. All pretty simple projects if you're, somewhat handy capable in the garage. I did work at AutoZone for a year, so I'm somewhat qualified to work on cars. over here, we'll take you over here. You'll see right there is my extra miler pin and my Live to Pledge pin, because I was an AutoZoner professional for a whole year, so I'm qualified to work on cars. And also back here, underneath Donald Trump with the French fries, you'll see the beer fridge has arrived. A la beer fridge. And we've also got our freezer full of limoncello, because when you're Italian, you keep freezer full of limoncellos. And in here we got all our fun liquors. And let me just tell you this stuff here. Midnight Moonshine, apple pie, creamy, is so good. But you're not allowed to drink alcohol on TV because this is America. So they say. And I've also got all my Rock Auto stickers. Shout out to Rock Auto. Even though they don't sponsor me, I still give a shout out to Rock Auto. So there's that. And hold on a second. We're going to take you over here and show you what else we got going on today. Alright, and so what we're going to do here today, these are going to be our lift supports. These are going on the back lift gate for the hatchback. This here is going to be the trunk button. Jimmy was smart. Typically when you buy this, it does not come with the chrome piece. You got to buy that separate, but he got both pieces together. So that's an easy fix. That's an easy fix. This is the new roof antenna. It's not too bad of a fix. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass though, because you gotta drop the headliner a little bit to get to it, but I think we can sneak in there and get that. So I'm gonna walk you over just real quick and show you. Right up here is our lift supports. If you've never done these, you just pop this guy out with a screwdriver, pop that clip out, and then this guy will pop right off, and do the same thing on the bottom. Right in there, pop that clip out with the screwdriver, and these supports just pop right off. Hold on one second, I shall return. There you go. Got that on my head, James.
Rubber band.
Watch out. Shoot out. Wow. Right on. Right on. That simple.
Already fixed itself.
There we go. Yeah. Only needed to fix one, really. That guy. That out. it. Lift support's done. So for those of you at home, if you have I saw somebody else do this, so I stole this idea. If you have a 2010 Cooper Mini, I'm going to try to zoom in there. I believe that's the part number there that you're going to use. Dan's got these off of Amazon, and they fit perfectly, which is actually really nice, because a lot of times when you get this crap from Amazon, it doesn't always fit right, but these guys fit perfectly. So that's that. Next up, trunk button. Trunk button is going to be a T20 Torx head. And you right up in here, there's 2 screws right up in here.
Not 4.
Just 2. Oh, well, maybe there's 4. Okay. Well, I watched some guy on YouTube do this, and he only took out 2 screws. Well,
Wow.
shows you how much you can learn from YouTube, doesn't it?
Surely does.
Boy, I tell you. Yeah, you get right up in here. The guy on YouTube made it look so easy too. He just took 2 screws out. He made it look so easy. Go. This guy should slide right out. And it does. On the back here is a little clip. Pull that out. Let's just put the whole key in this. There we go. That's out.
I gotta take a rag and wipe that out of there.
You closed it with the button out. We can't ever open it again.
Oh no!
Go ahead, clean it.
Pull it.
I probably have some good cleaner stuff over
Look
here.
at that, it works.
I probably have some good cleaner stuff over here. I got when I used to work at AutoZone.
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 Thank you much.
That guy there.
Obviously, this is Delaware dirt.
Well, we need to get that off of there then.
Get that out.
Need to get that off of there. For anybody curious, I do use Turtle Wax dashing glass. This stuff actually works really good. You can use it on a little bit of everything. I am not sponsored by Turtle Wax, just like I'm not sponsored by Rock Auto. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Oh, that looks nice. We got to get you some new emblems for that thing now.
Yep, I guess I'll start just picking at it.
Oh, that looks nice. Let's put the new one on, not the old one.
Let's do that.
New one's just a simple change of what you were doing. Plug only goes in one way. That guy in. Put it over the right way. Put your wire back into that little spot there. And 4 screws back in.
almost too easy.
Almost.
Oh yeah.
We haven't.
You're not for it yet. Well, you're not for it yet.
Don't jinx us. We haven't done the roof antenna yet. We saved the hardest part for last. We did the easy stuff early.
Sure.
And that's it.
Okay.
Now, test. Does it work?
Oh my goodness, we have a button.
We have a button, and it works.
And the hatch goes all the way
And the
up.
hatch goes all the way up because the things are fixed. It's like a whole new car.
This is it.
Huh? Hey, Beeb's Garage, pal. If we can't do it, nobody can. Oh, wait a minute. You go ahead and entertain folks for a minute. I got something I got to do real quick. This is what we need right here. If you notice, there was a sticker there. I don't know what that was. Doesn't matter. We're going to make this Beeb's Garage approved.
Garage.
Beeb's Garage approved. So now, antenna. Now comes the fun part. So the antenna, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this rubber off, and we're going to drop down the back part of this headliner, and we're going to try and sneak in there. Underneath there is a, I believe it's 19 millimeter bolt, and it's right up there, and we're going to try and sneak in there and get that out without having to pull too much out. Worst case scenario, we may have to pull off these two covers and then drop the headliner down just a little bit more. But we're going to give this a try and see if we can do it and sneak it up out of there.
Don't mind the old lady umbrella.
Melanie. Hello, Melanie.
Your car's wrong. It's wrong.
Your driver's on the wrong side.
Did you get that one?
How you doing? British in your cars.
That's Korean.
Yeah, but
Oh.
she's on the wrong side.
She's on the wrong side.
She's on the wrong side. She's from Britain.
This thing needs a turbo. It's okay once it's up.
Okay.
It's a dog. A dog trying to get there.
I'm telling you. They make all kinds of
I know they
things.
do. This thing has 170,000 on it.
Doesn't
No
matter.
way.
Doesn't matter. Put a new turbo on it. Send it. Just send it. Put a Pro Charger on it and send it.
We'll drop
all
the
you gotta
350
do,
in it,
yeah.
baby.
Hey, yeah. Drop a 350 in it. Good at this.
Okay.
Shit. You can't learn this anywhere but AutoZone. Huh?
English.
Ain't got no AutoZone, ain't got nothing on me.
Look at how snug that works.
So look, yeah.
Oh,
Look.
we figured it
We're
out.
fighting with this stupid gasket here. And we
goes
figured it out.
inside of it.
Like a condom, you got to put the tool inside to protect it from the outside.
Now
Now that, huh? Yep.
this will go on here.
There we go. And then we put our little screws back in. Ah. We got this. Told you we were doing the hard stuff last. Got me sweating in here too. Good night. What is it? In case anybody's wondering. Thermometer. It's 80 degrees in here in Florida. 80 damn degrees. Yeah. Okay. So we're through. That's it, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Plug that fucker in.
Uh-huh. Scan code?
Yeah.
Scan code's next. So, it's funny, I'm going to edit this video down, but for years I've watched videos on YouTube where people fix stuff. And I go, wow, that guy did that in 10 minutes. So, now that you've seen how long it takes me to do this antenna, all the stupid little things we had to do with, it looks really good now that we're done. And it's all sealed up nice. And I'm not going to edit too much of this video down so you can see really the little issues you run into along the way and how much of a pain in the ass it can be. Now the handle here was quick and simple and easy, and so were the strut rods.
Yep.
The antenna was a bit of a pain, and yeah, I probably could have got it done a little easier if I'd taken the headliner down from the beginning, but you know, we make it work. So now we're going to scan a couple codes and then I'll probably do a little outro. So yeah, sounds good.